MAXIFS function. Obviously, you've got the if, the S as well, S for series, so it's an if. There's a check in there, and we've got max, so it must be looking for maximum value. And you might be able to predict what this formula does. What I've done here is taken other data with grades in there, made it into a table. It really doesn't matter. Well, I wanted to show you what happens if you make a relationship directly to a table. But what we're going to do is state equals. And then what I'm going to say is the function MAXIFS open brackets. Now, the range I'm going to look for. So we're going to be looking for the maximum mark. So I'm going to choose the mark column for the maximum range. My criteria range is the grade. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a grade. So I'm going to say the D grade. So if I put that in, then this is simply saying, okay, look down here. This is our range. Now look down the second group, this one here, and look for the D. If you find the D, so we've got a D there and there and there, so 3 of them there, that's got a grade of 56, that's got one of 54, and that's got one of 52. The maximum grade is 56, so it's returned that maximum grade. Now obviously doing that there isn't much use, so what I'm going to do instead is delete that and just say look at this cell here. Now obviously I get 0 because I've got nothing there, but if I then decide to put A in, it should give me the calculation for that. Now obviously the reason why it doesn't is I haven't got an A grade in there. So let's first of all check the D, let's make sure that works, and there's the 56. Let's now go for C, and that works. 67 is the highest. In fact, I've got 2 67s. Wasn't a great example, but does it work with my A star? Well, it certainly works with my A star. Does it work in lowercase? It's quite happy in lowercase, just to prove that. So it's case insensitive. It doesn't care about case. So the MAXIFS is a great way of identifying the maximum value out of a selection of data given a set of criteria to work within. So hopefully that's useful, and see you in the next video.